Welcome back to Cruiser's Corner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. On today's episode, it's all about chain maintenance. We have all the how-tos on cleaning and lubing your chain, some helpful tools available that can make the job easier, and some quick tips on how to tell if your chain needs adjusting. Check out the description down below for product links, hit that subscribe button, and let's get cruising. The chain maintenance schedule depends on a lot of different factors, so I wouldn't commit to a particular mileage for cleaning and lubing the chain. It's heavily dependent on if the chain's dirty or dry, which usually reflects what kind of environment you're cruising in. If it's dirty, you're probably riding on dusty or muddy terrain mostly, so I'd both clean and oil the chain. If you've been riding in rainy weather or long distances where the chain gets hot, I would simply oil it. To get the job done right, you might want to pick up one of these chain brushes. You can also use some old kerosene as an alternative chain cleaner, and then you'll want to pick up some of this chain lube here for afterwards. There's a few ways to lube a chain. There's the hydraulic bottle jack that will help you lift the rear wheel. It's on Amazon. I'll drop a link in the description if you're interested. Another option, if you're tag teaming it, would be for one person to lift the bike up on the kickstand just like this, and the second person could spin the wheel and spray the chain. Now, Andy's here getting creative and providing us a cheaper alternative method to a rear wheel stand and the bottle jack. I'm definitely a fan of saving some money, but do this at your own risk.
This super getaway with a block under there. And then instead I just put a block under there. This isn't the way I suggest to do it, but I just did it for the video. Now we got our chain kit here, Motul kit. This was 56 bucks. So it comes with chain lube, chain cleaner, and it comes with a brush. Brush. It looks like a set of gloves. There's our brush there. Chain cleaner. Eliminates encrusted deposits, oil deposits, O-ring, X-ring, Z-ring. And put a brush underneath. That goes on here. And I can brush all the sides. Quick spray. Wow. Make sure that's nice and clean. There we go. And this, you could do it like this somehow. Just rotate that through. That's gonna clean it up. That's the chain of lube. More precision. Here, the whole thing, the outside. So if there is any oil in your actual tire, you're gonna have to clean that off so you don't slip. Then what you're gonna want to do is just let this sit overnight. It's 1 1/4 inch free play. 1 1/4 inch from the bottom down here to how much that moves top.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on, and we'll see you next time.